How to change logo position in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your logo position in your Shopify store. Maybe you want to change it from the left side to the center or on the right side to the left, something like that. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the left side of your screen, and then you can click online store here. And then in the online store page, you can click edit theme here, click on it, and then you will be redirected to your website editor. As you can see, this is my website editor. And as you can see, my logo, my text logo is in the center of my page. So maybe I want to change it to the left side or right side. It's going to be very easy. You can just click in this area or in the logo, and then as you can see in the left side of your screen, there's the sidebar setting. So you can just click the header, and then in the header, you will see the logo position. So you can see there is a top center. You can change it to top left like this, and it will change or move to the left side of your website. And also, if you want to change it to the right side or the middle center, it's up to you, middle left, it's up to you. So basically you can change it like that. And maybe in this theme I cannot change it to the right side. I can only change it from left side to the center, in the middle left and top left, something like that. So yeah, it's different in every theme, so you can just change it as you want. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.